Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change the power button action in Windows 10 PC. When you press physical power button, your Windows 10 PC shut down. However, if you want, you can configure it for other actions also. For this, first click on this one start button and then type here control panel. In the search results, click on this one control panel entry. This will open control panel on your Windows 10 PC. In the control panel window, set view by to category and then click on this one hardware and sound option. Then click on power options. In the left sidebar, click on this one link. Choose what the power button does. Here under power button settings, use this one drop down menu that says when I press the power button. Here you will find do nothing, sleep, shut down, turn off the display and hibernate option also in case you have enabled hibernate and your PC supports hibernate option. Then you will find here hibernate option also. You can select any action for your power button. After selecting an action, click on this one save changes button to apply the changes on your Windows 10 PC.